On the ice, the fifth place finisher in the men's event, Alexei Yagudin. And he's going to skate to the music of Louis Armstrong.
You always see a much more relaxed presentation in the exhibitions. But knowing Alexei and his skating, I'm sure he's going to pack it with triple jumps. Triple axel on clean ice with no warm-up. Fun. My favorite things about the exhibitions is it allows the skaters to really explore their personalities. Totally meant for the audience. Breakdancing.
Like you said, no rules.
Well, he had the flu for the competition. It looks like he's feeling a lot better now.
From St. Petersburg, fifth in the men's, Alexei Yagudin.
No warm-up. You're on ice that's not even been scratched. A huge triple axel at the beginning of the program. These are exhibitions, but hey, you know, judges are still sitting up there. Let's impressions. Really good. And I want you all to know how good I am.